warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Aina Nasriya. Ni 102 billion, 122 billion, 120,062. Introduce. My name is Aina Nasriya. I come from Cimahi. My last education is high school majoring in science. Because this company has a mission and vision that are in accordance with the work that I am interested in. My strengths: I can operate Microsoft Office, committed to work, able to communicate well, able to work with a team, always want to learn new things, creative and conscientious. My weaknesses: maybe I'm someone who lacks confidence, but always try to believe in myself that what I do is definitely possible and always try to convince myself. I have experience working as an admin and quality control in an industrial company, and I have also participated in the population census program in 2020 and research and study in 2022. I was looking for a bigger challenge to the love my career, and I felt I didn't get it at my old company. I did some training which could help me my career, and I took some continuing education classes and seminars. With my high motivation and enthusiasm to advance a strong company, I will try my best to do the best job possible and according to the company expectation. I hope to be part of the company, step in harmony and implement the knowledge and experience I have. Thank you in advance. Sorry if there is an error for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.